Hello, how are you doing, Kickserv users? In today's how-to video, I will demonstrate how to hide the itemized details in an estimate. This will be very useful when you want to show a client use the total sum of their service without showing them the itemized prices. You just need to go to the Jobs tab and then to Opportunities and select the desired opportunities. Then you're gonna click in View Estimate, and here we have the two options. If you select the detailed view, the estimate will show line items, quantities, and prices. But if you select the summary view, it will show total price, but it will hide quantities and prices for line items. This will also be hidden within the customer center if the client chooses to view it. To see a preview of what your client will see, click on the desired option and then here on preview. So this is how it looks, a detailed view. And this is how it looks in summary view. This will just show the total price. So we reached the end of this topic. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any doubt, let us know in the comment. Give us a like and subscribe to our platforms to be up to date with all the features that Kickserv has to offer. Bye everyone!